Welcome, in front of me is a NUBIA Z17 Lite, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to the device, assuming you haven't done that throughout the setup when it's basically forcing you to. So to get started, you want to open up settings, which for me is right here, but due to the fact that the upper part of the screen doesn't work, I will have to find a nifty way to open it up. So let's do it like so, and here it actually works. So once you're in the settings, you want to scroll down to fingerprint right here, confirm your pattern, and you most certainly have a pattern because the device cannot be set up without it. So then tap on add a fingerprint, and you want to stop tapping away on the back sensor. Once you touch it, it will start the percentage, so get a good read of your entire finger all around. And once you have, you can name it, or you can just keep it as it is. Tap on OK. Oh no. So I cannot finish it up because the done button is in an area that the screen doesn't work, so I can't really touch it. But after you have added, just press on the done and you're finished. You would have a fingerprint. Now I can actually check it if maybe I didn't need to press it. And it looks like it actually added even without the tapping the done. So that is basically how you would add a fingerprint. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.